All right, good. Now I wanted to get BB up here just in case. Just take a look at it. And this bottom left square. There's a TD Ameritrade ad. Better view? Oh, thanks. POTUS the number one. All right. Okay, get these things off of here. Let's see. This one needs a chart too. I noticed yesterday that a couple of these charts weren't quite showing me everything I needed to see. Okay, there we go. Now, get rid of that. Okay, let's take a look at what we have on the radar here. On the horizon. So the talk of the town this morning is AVXL. That's the top of all my scanners. AVXL. Definitely put that front and center. Right there. We'll take a look at that. Sava. Yeah, I'm curious. Oh, the Sava's been failing. Okay, so Sava's really not going to be super in play unless it breaks its high again. I'll keep that in the lower right where it was, so that way it's just mentally where I remember it was. Mankind. We'll take a look at that. Wow, the VIX is in the 22s. So good. Naked actually is doing okay, starting from 7 o'clock this morning, putting in a decent shape. All right. So Naked might be in play. Let's see, should I get rid of AMC or Kodak? We know Kodak could potentially be in play. Is it up or down this morning? It's pretty damn flat. I don't know. I don't think I should waste a slot for that. So we'll put Mankind there. ANVS, kind of light on the shares trading. CPSH, we definitely have that right over here. I don't think cost is not really doing much, but it could have one of its days. Yeah, I think I'll wait to hear if that one pops rather than be monitoring it. So I will put CRNT up there. Let's take a look at that. CPSH. Let me get some of these labels on here. Nicola, some people are asking about. I don't know. We'll take a look. I'll keep Google up. Let's see if we have any pre-market or pre-market earnings winners. After hours, we'll have Qualcomm and PayPal. Those are and eBay. I think eBay already reported yesterday. This is the after hours. That list was after hours yesterday because both of those reported, and we do need to take a look at PayPal this morning. So Merck. All right. So it looks like no surprise winners there. Okay. But yeah, I would like to look at PayPal. So let's pull that up somewhere. The pre-market volume leaders are AMC, Sundial, Time, Naked, Nokia, AVXL. Where the most money is going and with the biggest gains is AVXL, ATOS. So we need to take a look at ATOS. All right, here's AVXL. Not digging that pre-market shape at all. It can't hold any of its pushes. But overall, in general, it's kind of holding a level. We'll have to see if it can hold by market open. Some scalps on the way up. If it runs. There we go. Yeah, Apple's at 136 and fading. Holding, I would say. It's probably a better word for it. So that's not a momentum trade that we'll be taking this morning. CRNT, why are you not coming up? All right, let's check out what else do we have here. Go EV, GOEV. Take a look at that. Okay, there's Mankind. Yeah, Mankind doesn't have the strength. It's below VWAP and failing on its push attempts and breaking down on its pullbacks. All bad, Mankind. So I'll keep it up, but I think that that's not going anywhere. ILUS has really nothing going on this morning. I'll take that off the radar. CRNT, there we go. It's up and not doing well. So we won't be trading that. And how is BB looking? BB's kind of holding, but it's got a ton of bag holders now, so I think that one's over. We're taking BB off. AMRS is pushing again. Yesterday had quite the push. I'll keep that up. Naked, CPSH, AVXL, I don't have a lot of hopes for, but we will watch it. CVM and WWR are on swings. Why is AVXL the talk of the morning? I don't know. But there's a ton of volume. The chart looks good. And I've seen these charts 1,000 times. And yeah, Chart doesn't look great actually, but there's a ton of volume, and I follow the charts. Let's see if anybody's chatting with me. I lost your chat window. There we go. Sava, eBay, PayPal, Mankind, apps. Okay. Now I will look those up. Apps and PayPal. I'd love to see if PayPal's following through this morning. I'm going to keep PayPal in the top left since it might turn out to be an options trade. Whoa, my computer's acting really slow all of a sudden. That's not a good sign. What is going on? Am I glitchy? All right, I can see GME hit 87 last night. There could be breakouts on GME. You guys on TikTok, if you want to send me a message with your first and last name and email, I'll send you an invite to my platform, Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, and you can get a bonus for signing up. We'll both get a bonus if you want that. All right, I'm going to go back to the chameleon. We'll see what we got. Some more here. Light volume, CPSH, IPOF, bit of light volume. Might be worth looking at. Let's pull up IPOF. Go EV's pre-market shape is, what is it? Oh, I need to change these charts a little bit here. Yeah, a little crazy on Go EV, and not even that big of a pop. 16 to 18. That's not really going to be the kind of momentum run we're looking for. And apps is up only 15%. I mean, we're looking for the big whoppers here. So we're talking AVXL, Atos. Where's Atos? I wanted to bring that up. I think I did bring it up. Where is it? No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, we're going to forget about Zine, and we're going to move on to Atos. Let's take a look at Atos. All right, AMRS looking good. Go EV, not looking great. Naked just failed while we were talking. Not looking so good anymore. AMC we'll have on just for the fact that AMC and GME are interesting. Mankind totally failed while we were talking. Sava. Space starting to put in another push. PayPal's pre-market shape is okay. Yeah. And do we get some upgrades this morning? Let's see. Maintains buy, price target 320. Nice. Analyst actions, price target 292. That's RBC. Atlantic, overweight, price target 315. All right. It seems like everybody expects PayPal to go to about 320. So we may see that run today. If we have a good market with the wind at our back, that could really pay off. PayPal. Only took 25 years for it to finally take off, huh? A flurry of upgrades. 302. All right. So PayPal's going to probably be the play of the morning, the options play of the morning. And the other big one was eBay, right? Let's take a look at eBay and apps. Oh, yeah. Apps looks really good. Actually, apps looks perhaps better than eBay. But did it get the upgrades? It didn't get a ton of upgrades. So it doesn't have a ton of wind at its back. And the price target is nearby. So apps looking good. We shall see. PayPal looking great. Oh, I already had PayPal over here. Okay, good. Then I'll replace PayPal over here with eBay. If you're on the TikTok and you want to view my whole screen, all pics, just go to my bio and click the YouTube link. ATOS looks great. Really, really good. ATOS. Atossa Therapeutics. IPOF looks terrible. We won't even be touching that. We won't be trading IPOF. Mankind just like totally failing. I'm going to even take that off the list, I think. All right, Google does not have a good chart, but I'm just going to keep it up since it sort of was the best performer, the best earnings winner yesterday. Space, I'll keep up. It's got some potential. It's not uncharted territory, though, so there'd be core entries. All right, there's a bunch of labels. Let me put VIX on. We still have some open spots in this pre-market game plan, getting everything up. For the options, you just choose at the money, nearest expiration. And that would be on the bigger ones like PayPal, apps, etc. But not on anything that's big that's gone insane, like GME. You wouldn't really want to trade options on GME. You're wasting so much money on premium, and that's going to be going down and up with every move, contracting. Yeah, not a good idea to use options on GME. You make so much money, so much more money trading the shares. Oh yeah, so we have GME over here. And I'm going to get rid of Mankind to open up a slot. We're waiting for eBay to take a look at that. IPOF, we're going to get rid of that. That opens up a slot. All right, we are getting our game plan here. This is looking really good. All right, eBay. Does it have any upgrades? 65, that's where it's at. 84, okay, that's higher. 80, okay. 74. All right, so eBay could be in play. We will watch. It looks like it has a low volume. So does apps. PayPal looks like it has a lot of volume. All right, we're getting everything dialed in here. 2 more picks we can put on the radar. Let me take a look at what you guys are saying. Right. Yep. Saba. What about DraftKings and Neo? Those aren't showing up as up much this morning, Wuko. We don't just pick hot stocks. We pick stocks that are fucking insane. I mean, they need to be totally like blasting off. These puppies are like at huge, jumps, volatility expansions like they haven't seen. I'm not seeing that on my scans, DraftKings and Neo, as being in that situation, but correct me if I'm wrong. If it's not up over 10%, we're not interested. eBay, CYTH is another potential. Let's take a look at that. CYTH. Let's see here. I can get one more up to look at at the moment. Let's make sure we're not missing anything at the top. AVXL, Atos, Leasy moving again. I'd like to see the pre-market shape on Leasy. Like yesterday, didn't really qualify. Let's see today. It's not up a ton, is it? No, 26%. Okay. ONTX. And then there's a lot of talk about TNXP. I don't want to miss that one. Frankly, I'm going to get rid of AMC for that. I don't think we're taking any AMC trades today. If anyone sees AMC just start to catch on fire and blast off, you just let me know, and we'll change that. All right, looking like a game plan, huh? Now we got to strike levels on all these. GME looks like 100. That would be definitely a quarter in. Don't get too crazy there. The whipsaws on that will be crazy. On Naked, we'd hope for it to break 134, but it probably won't hold. We'll see. So 135. And 143 on the top end, we'd enter at 144. Naked, I don't know, maybe it goes to 150 today at best if it breaks out, maybe 160. Sava really pulled back, so the play there is going to be on only if there's super strength. And I would call that 120, 128. And 139 on Sava. I can't trade Doge on TDA. Thinkers TDA can only trade Bitcoin futures. They don't have actual crypto at TDA. They only have a derivative of it of the Bitcoin. AVXL just broke our first level. Did anybody happen to catch that and get in? That was an entry there at 20. It's now at 20.58. That's an easy 20-cent ladder. Be watching for that. So that first level is obliterated. And there it goes. Up to almost 21 now. AVXL. AVXL has the most volume on the day. The next break would be 21. And that would be half in at 21. There it is. And take 20-cent increments. Gotta get your pre-market tools up and running. Okay, Leasy looks good, actually. We're going to keep Leasy up today. AVXL looks good, and we're so you'd be all out of AVXL now if you were in that, because that's a 20% stop, 20-cent stop. Excuse me. TNXP, which everyone's all excited about, looks awful. Looks terrible, but we'll keep it up because everyone's all excited about it. So if it happens to break some key points, we'll be on the ball. Next key level to break on AVXL is 21, and that would be half in. Half in at 21. CYTH is pretty messy, but it's generally the right shape. It just probably is very low volume. CYTH. We could try it. We'll see what happens. $21 is the half in on AVXL. Really like 21.07. You want to see that. All right, 14 minutes to market open. Probably what will need the most prep is your PayPal, eBay, and apps options play. You want to have those ready to go, those orders ready to go for the 5-minute candle entries. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 17 picks this morning. And if we miss something, we'll figure it out. Oh, that's cool. SKLZ. Yeah, but at the moment, we've pretty much got our picks. I'll see if anything gets hyped up to replace anything else. Like ONTX, I didn't get a chance to look at, but it's only $1, so. We'll see on AVXL. It's supposed to move awesome. So we'll see. Put this up here. This over here. Transferred money into TD on Saturday night, and my money still isn't cleared. Oh yeah, I always wire. It's worth the 25 or 35 bucks or whatever. Oh yeah, I always wire. And I don't like to burn money. You know what I mean? Not at all. But still, like that's just like ridiculous to have to wait, a long time. All right, we got 10 minutes until market open. Are you like all day or just pre-market? All day, Samir. But for free, we're doing the pre-market. All right, we can mark off some key levels here. So I just put the key levels on Sava on the lower right. Make sure you don't miss those. Whenever any of you see something approaching any of these key levels, let everybody know, including myself, that something's coming into play. CYTH, we're going to go all in at 10.25. 10.25. Go EV is kind of hard to see there. I'm going to have to draw it in. Screen is black. What happened? Am I back? I think that's just you, Nikki. Because I'm watching the YouTube live right now. The screen is not black. But thanks. I mean, in case it was. But it's not. Okay, I gotta get the key level here. Okay. So 1870 on Go EV. All in at 1870. And I'd go with 10-cent increments on that. So next level to break on AVXL is 2107, and that's half in. Seven minutes to market open. All right, I have to ready my my PayPal order now. Which is probably what's going to be the big runner of those. PayPal apps and eBay. Time to set that up. All right, I'm getting my options order ready for PayPal. Looks like it'll probably be the 270. And they'll be about $1,000 a contract. So that's what to expect there. So I guess I'll take 10. That should be all right. All right, setting up apps also looked really good. I put apps in first or second place. All right, 4 minutes to the market open. Apps. Going to be about $600 a contract, it looks like. And we would choose the 75. Looks like clearly that's the one to choose. About $600 a contract. I'll just go 10 on that as well. That should be fine. All right, I got my PayPal and my apps orders ready. Not really eBay. We'll see what goes on with eBay. You guys can get those ready in your different tabs. Market, Oz, and there is no spread right now. It's pre-market, so the spread is not determined. All right, 3 minutes until market open. You guys over on YouTube, make sure you grab a VIP trial, and then you can join us day trading today. All right, so have a good day on YouTube. Thank you very much for tuning in. And make sure you follow the link that was given to you there. And join me in the group.